more furniture being delivered today. Hey guys, happy Sunday. This big man doesn't want to let go of me. Anyways guys, you guys saw, well, I'm going to show you guys now. We had our more furniture being delivered today. I was in church when it was being delivered, so I really didn't want to stop church, and because it's live, so I don't want to stop and make a video of the delivery and miss church. So instead I just took a bit of a video, because you know, you can just hold the camera, just put it down somewhere while they do the work while I was in church. But anyways, baby, can you let me go? Okay, come with me then. Let me show you guys what got delivered today. So firstly, in the kitchen, we finally have bar stools. We got 3 of them, because remember, if you remember that video, no, there's no video actually of the shopping, but these are the ones that we liked. So they're like swivel chairs, right babe? You see, you can swivel them around, and they've got this black detail which matches with the black detail in the house. You see, it matches with that, and it's this white paint on the wood, so it's not too dark. The other one was like brown wood. This actually matches with, like, kind of matches with our couch, and then it's got these black studs to detail. But these are nice, right babe? We like them. Well, babe is the one that picked them, so he should like them. Let's go to the living room and I'll show you what else got delivered. But we finally have our TV stand. The guys came in and they set it up. So as you remember, did I tell you guys last week? Yeah, we moved the couch to be in this position because babe wants the TV there, because at night you can see through the blinds. The screen thing is not like thick enough. So yeah, he wants a bit of privacy. So we'll put the TV there. We tried to get a TV yesterday and also on Amazon, but Amazon disappointed us. Guys, this I loved because of the fireplace here. This is an electric fireplace. We're still gonna set up and put everything there. And then we got the coffee table. And I was actually surprised, the coffee table actually looks like a wall. So yeah, now this is a bit set up. It's not that bad. We'll see. Need a carpet to tie it in together properly. And if the carpet was here, because now who's gonna pick up that thing to put the carpet under it? Anyways, let's go outside. So in the garden, babe's other new baby, he got a Viba as well. He saw it at the furniture shop, and well, they sell everything there because they've got like an electronic side as well. They've got outside stuff, so we're gonna get like an outside sitting area thing going on here. But I think, babe, so this thing is big, baby. This is babe's grill. I don't know what to say about it, but it's a guest grill. We're gonna get a cover, and he said he ordered the plates to make like this like plate to be able to like make this, I don't know, burgers and stuff and vegetables and all of that. But we want to grill today. We don't know if we're gonna grill, so we'll see how the day goes. I'm feeling lazy. I don't feel like doing anything, but the grill is big, guys. Woo! Oh my word, almost stepped on a cricket. But I'm thinking the grill is better here. So like just put it here, like on this wall, because there, I think it would be nicer to have the sitting area there, because now it means the sitting area should be here by the door. And for me, I'm like, then when you open the door, then there's always a chair. So if the sitting area is there, this space here is always open for us to just move in and out. Anyways, guys, Let's go back inside. What else was delivered? This is everything that was delivered today, but now let's set up everything. So babe, we're gonna put the stones inside, please. This one has stones and crystals, which I don't know why. We just wanted crystals, but in this store, because initially we saw this at Ashley's, and luckily the guy that I asked to help be our interior decorator, I called him as I was at the store, and I asked him, to help me choose, because there were two different tones for the wood. And he was like, girl, just go check at these other places. And I was like, okay. So I didn't buy it immediately, which is good, because I ended up finding the very same thing from the very same shop, because this is from Ashley's as well. It's like exactly like it's Ashley's thing. It's just a different store that sells Ashley's stuff. It sells furniture from all over. Like we bought it at Nebraska Furnitures, and at Nebraska it was like what, 800 less, because at Ashley's it came up to 1,900, and at Nebraska it was like 1,200. Obviously, for me it made sense to just buy it from, because it's the exact same thing, so just buy it from Nebraska. So now I'm gonna try. So the guys set up everything, guys. They came in, they set up everything. So now they didn't put in this, but they, because I asked them, I was like, hey, where's that? I'm afraid I'm gonna break this. So there's the pebbles. Well, these are the crystals. Well, I've got crystals. So anyways, now this thing should have been taken out before they put it in, because it's a string. But yeah, I'll put the pebbles here. First clean it out, make it nice. Okay, we'll try the crystals first, and then, because the stones, it's a lot to also put the stones. Now that I've put this in, at the shop they had both the stones and the crystals for this one, because at Ashley's they only had one type in each one. So I think Babe and I initially said we'll take the stones. I don't remember. But anyways, guys, this one has both, but I feel like both is a lot. Oh, that is so cool. Can you change color? Oh my word, wait, people didn't see. It actually looks like real fire. Oh, so what I like about this is that here it like takes out heat, huh? You can change the temperature, you see there. Can you change the color in this one? There's a remote. Where's the remote? Oh, it's so loud. That's a timer? It has a timer. How?
Yeah, I don't want to have heating now if you have the air.
I want to check the other things. Does it change color? What's that? Yes, it changes color. You see? Now it's blue. Now the crystals are pink. Now they're orange. I like the orange more because it literally looks more like fire. And it actually does things. Ooh! But you can do the color without the... I think you can do it without the fire, no?
Yeah. Here you make the fire.
Yeah, but it says...
But we don't... Just we have to remove...
for the batteries, yeah. So there's a remote to actually control it, so you can sit there and control it. But anyways, yes, guys, we love it. Off. So that's it. Now let's move on to setting up the next thing. Just putting up the stuff on the table. So this definitely will be too big when the TV's here.